Welcome, dear visitor. I'm Dr. Thomas, a winemaking specialist, and today I'll be your guide on this virtual winery tour. Ready? Then let's see how a grape's journey begins inside the facility. The first step in winemaking is selecting the right grapes. For this wine, we'll use Blaufränkisch as our base, ideal for crafting a full-bodied red. Excellent choice. This bunch is perfectly ripe, just what we need. It's time to move on to processing. As soon as the grapes arrive at the processing facility, the first step is washing, which removes any surface impurities from the berries. Great job! With the right settings, the grapes are now completely clean and ready for the next step. Time for the quiz. Look around, find the quiz panel, and give it your best shot. The cleaned grapes now enter the destemmer crusher. During destemming, the machine separates the berries from the stems, since compounds that leach from the stems can impart unpleasant flavors to the wine. Excellent. Destemming and crushing are running smoothly. Now comes pressing, one of the fundamental steps in processing. This determines the quality of the must, which in turn influences the character of the wine. Unfortunately, that is not the correct setting. Great. Now let's press the button. We've now reached the next stage of winemaking, fermentation. The hydrometer in the tank shows how much sugar remains in the must and what the alcohol level is. Head to the quiz panel and submit your answers. Aging is the phase when the wine's final character takes shape and its flavor profile deepens and gains complexity. In the aging process, every detail matters. We've entered the final stage of winemaking. This is where the refinement begins. Now it's time to set the correct stabilization temperature. Time for the quiz. Look around, find the quiz panel, and give it your best shot. The wine is now physically and microbiologically stable, clear, protected, and technically complete. Next comes the blending phase, where we combine different lots to achieve a final profile that reflects the desired style.